I guess I'll show you how to go faster. What is it? Wind resistance is inversely proportional to velocity squared.
Sure.
Yes. So the faster you go, you double your speed, you quadruple the wind resistance. Well, you have to cannonball, reduce your surface area.
Okay.
But what happens if, like that last person, you're not quite making it and you're already cannonballing? What do you do?
Flail.
Flail, yeah, kind of. You flap your wings.
Okay.
Alright, I've seen this done in a cartoon. There you go.
Alright. Here we go. That was a good landing.
Come on up. I barely made it.
Alright. We did it.
You did it. You survived. Alright.
Nice. Hello, Josh. I videoed it.
Pretty long one. Pretty long one.
There's our getaway truck.
Is that Sarah?
This is it Megan? Who is this?
Looks like Megan. No, Sarah.
Stanford girl.
Megan.
Yep. Yep.
And run.
Woohoo, Megan!
Run. Oh no. Oh no.
No!
Megan almost didn't make it.
You were so close to making it.
It's like, no.
Thank you.
Well, Zach, it's good to see you not crying, buddy. Give me some. Yeah.
Who's this? Sarah. Here she comes.
Oh, she's gonna make it. Alright.
Nice. Nice, Sarah.
Whoa, no, ow, I put it on your finger. There you go.
Nice. And last
Sorry about
one.
that.
Your finger. Sorry.
Alright, just be careful of that cable, yeah?
Okay, let's get out of the way. Oh yes. He makes rough landings.
Is this dead?
Yep. Oh, he made it.
Alright, you were cooking in there. Alright, give me some right here. Woo! Good job today.
Yeah,
thank you. You guys all did great.
Thanks.